Raksha Bandhan is a very special festival that celebrates the eternal bond of a brother and a sister. And as some of you may be knowing, Rakhi is approaching and the 2020 Rakhi is scheduled on 3rd of August, which means that not even a month is left for this special occasion. For all the sisters who want to tie Rakhi to their brothers, here we present something special, which is the 95 silver Rakhis. These Rakhis increase the charm of the festival and makes this occasion more special. We will be looking at various designs and prices of these Rakhis in this video, so make sure you stay connected till the end.
Before that, subscribe to RN Enterprises channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates about trending silver products.
So we will be looking at the designs and details of these Rakhis simultaneously. I won't be removing these Rakhis from these packagings as they are firmly attached, and if I remove them then they would not be able to be packed further. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival of true, pure and eternal love among sisters and brothers. It is a celebration of the sweet bond of a brother and a sister. There's a small story or a reason for every sister because of which she ties a Rakhi to her brother on this auspicious day. The Rakhi is seen as a symbol of promise which a brother makes to his sister. This promise made by the brother ensures the sister that the brother will keep protecting the sister throughout her life. The knot symbolizes trust and faith. In India, every sister ties a Rakhi to her beloved brother on the festival of Raksha Bandhan, so here we present a special gift that suits the purpose. 95 silver Rakhis are made out of pure silver with symbols of God like Ganesha and as such. These are very beautiful casted and crafted to make this day more beautiful and special for the siblings. If it becomes tough because of this global pandemic to visit your brother's home, then we have again made this problem an easy solution. You can get your Rakhis delivered to your brother's place from our side without any extra cost. All you need to do is, while ordering the product, our website asks you to enter two addresses, that are the billing address and the shipping address respectively. When you order a product for yourself, you enter the same address of your location at both the places. However, in this case, since you want the Rakhi to be delivered at your brother's location, which is a different place from your address, so you need to enter your own address in the billing address and your brother's address, that is the place where the product needs to be delivered, in the shipping address. And bingo! Your brother will get surprised with a super Rakhi at his place without you being charged an extra penny from our side. There are many variants for these Rakhis available on our website. Make sure you check all of them. The link has been placed in the description box. Just visit the link and you can find the variety and can there order the Rakhis and get them delivered at your brother's place even in this global pandemic. And if you faced any issue in purchasing the products from our website, then you can visit videos which have been placed on our channel, which are a complete tutorial that tell you how you can order products from our website and get them delivered at your place. There is a complete process in both Hindi and English languages and for both Android and PC type of users, so make sure you visit those videos and get your doubts clarified. All your doubts will be completely cleared from those videos and you can then easily order your products. So celebrate this Raksha Bandhan in a safer and more special way with us. Just ask us to deliver your Rakhi to your brother's place and we'll get it delivered easily. To order these Rakhis, just visit the link in the description box and you'll be taken to the website page of RN Enterprises, from where you can directly and easily order these Rakhis. Tell us in the comment section which is your favorite piece, and if you like this video, so make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to RN Enterprises channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications for videos on trending and latest silver products.